Fire kits are a must-have for any emergency kit or adventure life takes you on. In this video, we'll be putting together a DIY fire kit. If you are just starting your prepping journey, or you are somebody who has been prepping for years, there is an immense satisfaction from making your own emergency preps. Also, when you make them yourself, you know each item is quality and handpicked. Okay, let's get into it. For your kit, you will need a hinged tin box, ranger bands, a ferro rod, product paper of some sort that burns well, plastic bags for sawdust, wood chunks, and cotton balls smothered with Vaseline, a mini lighter, a fire bellow, and a Duralock. This is a pocket ferro rod. There are about 1,000 variations, so picking one is based on your own needs. They work by scraping ferrocerium, which creates spark, into the material you're trying to light, hopefully creating a small flame. This is a pocket bellow. They are useful when you're having a hard time getting a flame to grow. You point the end of the bellow at the base of the fire and give it a concentrated oxygen burst. For my flammable material, I used some kind of flyer we got in the mail. Also took some sawdust from some projects that I had. Went to our old wood pile and took a rotted piece of wood and took some chunks off that. And then I put some Vaseline on some cotton balls that we had laying around. And then this is kind of any of your Duralog materials. Now the fun part is putting everything together. Sometimes when you're building these kits, you got to kind of play with where everything is going to be placed so it fits best. Now it's time to wrap it all up. Here is where the ASMR comes full circle. You have sourced all of your materials, you've figured out how they all fit into your container, and now it's time to put the final touches. Labeling your preps is important for easy identification in the event of an emergency. After all this work, you want them to look good, right? Fire kits are great for your go bag. They're also great for emergency car kit.